In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your Google Ads account. This tutorial is designed to guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can confidently manage user access to your Google Ads account. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads overview page. This is where the magic starts. You can simply head to the Google Ads official website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're going to be greeted with a variety of options and analytics related to your account. But don't let that distract you. Our focus is on managing user access. Next up, locate the Tools and Settings icon. You might find this in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will unveil a drop-down menu with an array of options, but what we're interested in today is the Account Access option under the Setup column. Click on Account Access to proceed. Once you've clicked on Account Access, you're going to be taken to a new page titled Access and Security. This page is essentially the control room for managing who has access to your Google Ads account. It's here that you can see a list of current users along with their roles. User roles in Google Ads vary from read-only access to standard access, and then there's admin access, which is what we are focusing on today. Having admin access means having the ability to control every aspect of the Google Ads account, including the ability to add or remove users. To add a new admin, you'll notice a blue plus icon or a new user button, often positioned towards the top of the Access and Security page. This is your gateway to adding a new user. Go ahead and click on this icon. After clicking on the plus icon or new user button, a window will pop up. Here you're prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to grant admin access to. It's crucial to double check the spelling of the email to ensure it's correct. Once you've entered the email address, it's time to specify the role. You will see a list of roles to choose from. For adding an admin, select the admin role. This role grants the user full access to the Google Ads account, including the ability to manage users, billing, settings, and more. Choosing the correct role is vital to maintain the integrity and security of your account. With the email typed in and the admin role selected, the final step is to send out the invitation. Look for a button labeled Send Invitation or something similar. Clicking this button will dispatch an email to the person you're inviting to become an admin on your Google Ads account. This email will contain instructions for the invitee on how to accept the invitation and thus gain access to the account with the specified role. It's worth noting that the invitee must accept the invitation to activate their admin role. You'll be able to see the status of the invitation in your Access and Security page, where it will remain as pending until the invitation is accepted. Once accepted, the status will change and the person will have full admin access as specified. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of adding an admin to your Google Ads account. It's a simple yet crucial task that helps in managing your advertising efforts efficiently. Remember, managing user roles and access rights is an important responsibility. Always ensure that only trusted individuals are granted admin access, as this role comes with significant power over your Google Ads account. Regularly review your user list and their access levels to keep your account secure and functioning optimally. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Adding an admin to Google Ads is a straightforward process once you know where to go and what to do. Whether you're adding a colleague, a marketing agency, or a new team member,